So this is what happens when you try to pressure wash the transmission, Jeremiah. Got it pulled apart, the inside seems to be good. So just gotta get a rebuild kit, gaskets, valve body, slap it back together. Alright, back at school on the transmission. Picked up the kit on Saturday, and I'll show you guys what I've done so far. So all this came in a kit, which we're not going to use. I already replaced these seals right here. Cleaned up the oil pan. Got a little fluid in here. And the gaskets I'm getting wet. We'll put on. These are the old gaskets. New gaskets are already on. Got to tighten it down. And bolt this joker back up with the new filter. So pretty easy, quick. We'd have to go internally to replace anything. Everything's still good in there. So 2 new seals. New seal, the accumulator, I think it's called. And about to button this back up. Yeah. You guys not getting the whole process. I'm here at school, so I can set up a tripod and talk to the whole thing, pretty much. And excuse the fuzz on the camera. I got hit with Claire the other day when we were doing the car. So that's where we at. Let me finish this, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm done putting everything back together. All right. Oh, got the filter put on. Everything is bolted on. Just gotta get a pan, and then speed sensor. Button it up, and I'll be done. It should work like new. All right, that's the end of it. So bought this whole kit with all this crap in here. Filter. This is a kit right here. It says Corolla, but it's actually fixed with Celica, the Matrix, all them cars. But did all that just to change these seals for the axles, O-rings on the inside, O-ring for the oil filter, oil passage, gaskets, all that. And transmission is done. So just gotta load it up tomorrow, take it back to the shop, put it in his car. I'll finish the video outside since we got so many people in here, but you guys will view what we got going on here at South. All right, huge facility. And this is the transmission class that I'm in. See you guys soon. But close the video up when we get outside and post it up. All right, guys. Well, hey, as always, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, hit that thumbs up button. All right, and please share the videos. I appreciate what you guys have been doing so far, and that's it. Just a little maintenance on a 2000 Celica transmission, pretty much. That's what this video is about. And keeping them short, sweet. You guys can watch them during lunch, go about your day, and tell people the great things I'm doing on this channel. Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much, and love y'all.